At Stevens, research begins early, and it has real impact. Across disciplines, our students don't wait for senior year to do research. Starting in their first year, they conceive, design, execute, and communicate projects that open doors to careers and graduate programs. Through Women in STEM research and our life sciences courses, students spend 4 years immersed as practicing scientists and work side by side with faculty and their peers. In psychology, students conduct original lab or field studies and complete a research-rich capstone. Our nursing and education students conduct meaningful research alongside faculty mentors. They present their work at national conferences and in peer-reviewed journals, and at Stevens' own Spring Research Conference. These experiences give our students a competitive edge for careers, graduate school, and professional programs. This is research that prepares students to lead.